Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the new features in CapCut and the easy tutorial on how you can use it. So CapCut just got an AI glow up, and here I'll walk you through the new AI features in CapCut and show you how you can use them step by step to make editing easier, faster, and more creative than ever. So what's new in CapCut AI? So on mobile, if you open it, you will see at the bottom beside the templates button there will be AI lab, and when you click on that you'll see this page. This is CapCut AI lab where you can make videos based on the AI tools in CapCut. The first one is the AI story maker, so you can turn script into stunning videos. You can just click on this try it button to use this feature, so you can bring your story to life. You can just enter your story or an idea and AI will turn it into captivating video. So here you can just enter the prompt and add or choose the visual style, and the voiceover you can do it automatically, or you can also choose the language in here and also the kind of voice. And here you can also adjust the aspect ratio. If you want to upload it for TikTok, you can go 9:16. After that, you can just click on generate, and there also AutoCut, so you can turn media into share ready videos. So if you have long videos, you can use this feature to make it short, so you can upload it to YouTube short or TikTok and Reels. And there's also AI generator. So in here it consists of AI effects, video avatars, and AI poster. And if you scroll down, there are also AI videos templates such as this one, Woolly Waves or Sky Commander. And there's also about fiction stories or viral AI videos like the AI filter cat gym, or this 3D miniature figurine. This one is currently trending. And there's also about religious videos. If you want to make videos about history or facts that you didn't know, you can use these templates right here. So for example, I'm going to use one of these. Let's say I'm going to use this one in here. So you can just click on create with AI, and then in here the prompt will be automatically added. You can just upload your photos to this template. You can just click on this plus button and choose the photo. For example, I'm going to use this photo right here. Click on add and then tap on generate, and just wait until the AI effects apply to your photos. So here is the result with the prompt that I selected before and with the photos that I choose. You can just click on export to save the video. So guys, that's the new features on CapCut. So it's perfect for editors, content creators, and beginners who want to level up their editing game with the latest AI tools. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and also click on the thanks. Bye!